Welcome to the MIS Academic Result Management System training for the Federal Polytechnic Ado-Ekiti. This is video 1, where we will cover the 3 primary user roles within the system: the head of department, the student, and the lecturer. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to access your portal, navigate the system, and perform your key responsibilities effectively. Part 1. We begin with the head of department, who plays a critical role in managing departmental activities, overseeing staff, and ensuring the accuracy of academic results. Open your browser and navigate to the MIS Academic Result Management System portal using this URL: www.mis.fedpolyado.edu.ng. Enter your email address as your username and your password issued by the DICT, and click Sign In. Upon successful login, you will be taken to the HOD dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your department, including the current academic session and semester, student population, and pending result approvals. The Quick Actions menu gives you easy access to all departmental management functions. We begin with the first here, which is Lecturers Management. Select Lecturer Management to create and manage lecturer accounts within your department. To add a lecturer individually, click Create Lecturer. Enter the staff number. You enter the full name, email address, and a temporal password. Then click Create Lecturer. For multiple lecturers, use the bulk upload features. Download the template, complete it with lecturer details, save the file, and upload it back into the system. The system will validate the data before importing. You may also update lecturer information whenever necessary. The second module is the Exam Officers Management. The Exam Officer Management section functions similarly to Lecturer Management. Create individual account as needed. Exam officers don't perform much. They simply keep records of student academic results processed by MIS. So it is important to ensure that at least one exam officer's account is available before registration begins. The next module is Course Assignment Management. Select Course Assignment Management to assign courses to lecturers. Locate the course you wish to assign and select the appropriate lecturer. When necessary, you may use a borrow lecturer feature to assign a lecturer from another department. Only assigned lecturers can upload scores for a course, so all course assignment should be completed before the score upload period begins. The next module is the result processing. When lecturers submit scores, for example, the courses become available under result processing. Open a course to review the submitted continuous assessment scores, examination scores, and calculated totals. If the scores are correct, click Approve for processing to forward them to MIS for CGPA computation. If corrections are required, click Request Correction. Provide a clear explanation and return the submission to MIS for reprocessing of the academic CGPA. Processed results module next. After MIS completes the CGPA calculation process, the result becomes available under Processed Results. Review the complete result sheets, including students' GPA and cumulative CGPA. If everything is accurate, click Approve to forward the results to the dean of your school. And if further corrections are required, use the Request Correction option and provide the necessary details, such as select the student that you want to make correction for his, probably there was an issue in imputation from the lecturer. So upon approval by the HOD, which is you can actually make that request here. And after that, you still go through the same route of sending it to MIS, as earlier discussed. In summary, as head of department, you serve as a primary quality control point within the result approval process. Carefully review and verification at every stage help ensure the integrity and accuracy of departmental results.